Greetings, brothers and sisters. It's Anushka Sharma. Well, before I start, can I please introduce myself? I am a 14-year-old, or about to turn 15, and I am studying in 10th grade currently. I belong to India and I study at Delhi Public School. Dynamic, passionate, and hardworking student. I dream and I am a go-getter. I just want it when I want it, I need it. Though I am not quite an active social worker, but I do make my presence felt in the society. I contribute to the Swachh Bharat campaign in India. I have also supported PETA, many essays and kind of articles which have never made the cut. So I think that's enough of introductions. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you're determined to do so, no one can stop you. Educated, you just don't see with your own eyes, you see with the eyes of knowledge, of experience. You know what's happening, why it's happening, how it's happening around you, and you know how to prevent it, why to prevent it, and how to promote it or why to promote it. Education not just uplifts your own soul or you, it also uplifts the society around you. When you are educated, you get others educated. When you are educated, you know what to do, how choices the life offers, and you know which one is the best for you. Educated, the life around you is completely different. Needn't be easy, needn't be hard, but it is definitely a lot clear. When you're educated, you don't just have options around you. You can see others' options, you can guide others. I have realized it from history that Mahatma Gandhi wanted to make this clear that there is a very big line between education and literacy. They are two completely different things. Literacy is merely knowing numbers, how to write, how to read. But education is having values, giving values, knowing what's right, knowing what's wrong, how to help others. Education empowers you. Education helps you to look at the society with a clear vision. Education gives you glasses of better understanding. Education is not a luxury anymore. Education is a necessity in today's world. Like I said, education not just uplifts you, it gives you a chance to uplift others. When you're educated, you know your choices, you know which one's better, you can analyze your choices and choose the right thing in life. Literacy is going to make you survive, but education is going to make you thrive in life. Learning how to learn is one of the most important skills in life, as said by Nuraba F. I would like to sum up by saying that education is not about numbers, learning history, or knowing language. It's about understanding language, understanding history, and understanding maths. Every person is sent on this planet with a particular task that he or she has to do, and education helps you realize that. It helps you realize what you're good at, what others are good at, how to manage others. It makes you a leader, and it makes you a leader who doesn't just get followers, but it makes you a leader who makes other leaders. Education is the most powerful weapon one can use to change the world. Education turns mirrors into windows. By quoting Aristotle, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Stay Jai Hind.